Hello guys, welcome to the Manu Education. So today's topic is, are social science courses worth it? If yes, then what exactly the programs we should look for or we should pursue that particular program to build our career. So guys, MBA name itself says Master of Business Administration. If you wanna enter into the business world, then you should pursue MBA program. So guys, if you hold a certain degree, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, how much surety is in market that you will get 100% job guaranteed? Very few, right? Because we still have question in mind, MBA worth it or PGDM, some of the master programs or the social sciences program. So guys, stay tuned with me to know about it. Are social science courses worth it or not? So guys, very first one, if we are holding certain degree, very first thing we are looking for the job, right? We always hope the field should have the wide range of opportunities, but once graduated, still have a question in our mind, either we should go for 9 to 5 ka job or should start own startups, either in research part, consultancy, IT, software, blah 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 blah. There are various fields, but guys, you should think about what exactly you pursued. So you should think first, what are the opportunities suited for you? Always have question in mind, either we'll get a job or not after our graduation or master degree. Once if you have done through the top colleges, then guys, definitely you will get the best placement, because the top institutes are the well known for the each and every facilities offered. So guys, if we talk about the MA and MBA program, which one has the best value, the MA program or the MBA program? Yeah, always will tell the MBA program has more value than the MA program. But if a MA program from the top institutes who has the best ranking in India, which is globally known, which always stands at the top level in NAIF ranking, who have been accredited by NAC with good points, who had the great college repo, college tag. One of the important factor, because guys, college tag always work throughout your life. The fee structure of that particular institute and the placement. Because guys, the institute should give you the best return on the investment. Once it will give you best ROI, then it's worth it. And again, if we talk about the MA and MBA, there is one difference. If you want to go for the further studies, want to do the PhD, then you can move because you have done master. So it is the great benefit even it's not offering the MBA degree. So some of the institute which has the great repo, the ranking, low fee structure, high placement, then guys, us college ka course always will be the best. So if that particular institute has all these X factors, then guys, definitely that particular institutes offering any of the program will always have the best value. So which institute you should target? It is nothing but the TISS, the Tata Institute of Social Sciences, one of the top business schools in India, as it established in 1936 as Sir Dorabji Tata Graduate School of Social Works, started with just 20 students. Thereafter, in 1944, it was renamed as the Tata Institute of Social Sciences, and the landmark year in 1964, it became the deemed university. So guys, since its inception, the vision of TISS has been to an institute of excellence in higher education that continually responds to the changing social realities. And that's why it is more concerned about the social change and the development. So main motto is to create the young professionals who can create, who can develop, who can lead, and who can change the necessary changes in the society. So guys, which are the top courses in TISS? These are the flagship program, the HRM, Human Resource Management and Labor Relations. Thereafter, the ODCL, the globalization, various governance programs, rural development programs, health system studies like MHA, Master of Hospital Administration, Master of Public Health, social work programs, and the social entrepreneurship. And as the HRM is a flagship program, and that's why the TISS has the great repo. So many of the students ask me, if we are not applying for HRM, then is it worth it? Yes guys, 100%. Because if you talk about the fee structure of each and every program, then it has very nominate fee structure, nearby 2 lakhs for 2 years. And if you talk about the placement packages, except HRM, then also it gives you best salary packages around 10 to 15 to 20 lakh per annum. Guys, if you want a detailed info about each particular programs like HRM, ODCL, globalization, governance programs, rural development programs, MHA, MPH, and entrepreneurship, disaster management, I already make several videos. So guys, go to the YouTube, watch that video and get detailed info about each particular programs. And friends, the TISS offers you the MAK degree, not the MBA. यहाँ MA is just a name, but if we talk about the value, then all these courses having more value than other PGDM courses offered by the various business schools, even the top IIMs and even the top business schools. If you have the TISS college tag, then at your career path, you will definitely get the feeling of Sarkari wali naukri. Yes guys, 100%. Because guys, once you will out from the TISS, then आपका career set है. So guys, all social sciences courses are worth it because you will never find a saturation level in the market as we are knowing about the current scenarios. So guys, if you really interested to become a part of TISS, you have to crack the testnet for that. And if you want a preparation for the testnet, you can join to the Manu Education. You can contact us for live classes, classroom preparations, books, mock, GD, VAT or interviews, or the mentorship programs. So for online and live class, call us on 8828581455, or you can also call on all these respective numbers. For all exam updates and the notifications, follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, the Manward Test Interest, because you will get lot of updates on this particular channel. All link I mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description. So guys, this is all. Thank you very much. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.